Hello everyone, John here from the Technical Service Group. Today we have a new product to share with you, designed to be a handheld method of flushing and priming fuel lines, priming fuel filters, and quickly emptying tanks. This is the MVA6853 Fuel Evacuation and Primer Kit, a syringe-style evacuator and dispenser capable of moving a variety of fluids quickly with little mess in the process. The main seal of the plunger is made of a fluoroelastomer material, allowing for compatibility with many types of fluids, most notably diesel fuel, kerosene, and gasoline. The MVA6853 can hold up to 50 ounces or 1.5 liters of fluid, which can either be siphoned in by pulling the handle or by removing the threaded cap to manually fill the unit for dispensing. The nozzle has a quarter-turn shutoff feature to prevent spillage, followed by a fuel line quick connect fitting at the end of the clear tubing. Included in the MVA6853 kit are 5 additional adapters to connect into various lines and parts on an engine to perform required flush, fill, or priming maintenance needs. If you have any additional questions about this unit or any of our other products we offer, visit our website or give our Tech Service Group a call to learn more.